Modern-day Fremantle is a captivating blend of history, culture and coastal charm. With a bustling food scene, you'll be more than satisfied with what this lively city has to offer. From vibrant markets to trendy cafes and fine dining restaurants, there is plenty to choose from. Today we're heading to an absolute gem, a building that's over 120 years old with a fresh new look and an even fresher menu. Originally constructed in the 1850s, the Old Courthouse of Fremantle is an iconic establishment that's been given a whole new lease on life. This heritage-listed building was refurbished in 2021 and it's been turning heads ever since. The venue also offers a modern pavilion area as well as a family-friendly licensed lawn area, perfect for enjoying a delicious meal. Let's have a chat to the owner, Carl Bullers, and find out what makes it so amazing. You guys have done a fantastic job here. How did you make the venue so modern but retain so much of the history of the building?
Well, it's certainly a difficult balancing act, but it was very important to us to keep these stunning courtrooms with a very intimidating spaces as they were designed to be, but mixing that with modern hospitality and preserving all the heritage.
That bar is stunning. Where did that bar come from?
That was made for us by a local craftsman, and it signifies the bars that would have been in a prison environment.
I get it.
And it's made out of local marry.
What's your favourite piece of history in this building?
I love the dock, which was from 1899 when it was built. It's had a lot of very guilty people in there, and a lot of people who say they're innocent as well.
So when visitors come here, what can they expect?
They can expect a very versatile and interesting space with lots of history on the walls. This time of year we've got live fires going in the background, and then outside we've got the large gardens and the beautiful trees. We've got a sandpit for the kids.
Tell me a little bit about your food offering.
Well, I like to think it's good, honest food. We've got a broad cross-section of things which suit a lot of people, and the kitchen's centred around a rotisserie.
And your Sunday roasts are certainly beginning to develop a bit of a reputation.
Yes, we worked hard on those, and we create a great value, good comfort meal, so it's really started to get a following, and we do it all year round now, it's so popular.
Open 7 days a week, there's no excuse not to come on down and check it out.